Greetings, folks, from the frozen lake of Flaten, and me being here at this nudist beach spot in the beautiful Flaten Nature Reserve, this one known as Ekudden, and I have shown you several times before on my channel in the previous years. And the lake is still frozen, but we're gonna try to find some spot for a quick ice dip. And the cycling season has begun 2 days ago, and today I'm continuing again with a bicycle. And after I made a short pause yesterday with the beach adventures, because it was raining yesterday and it was a bit colder, I am back again at it. Today it is now currently 11 degrees Celsius in the air, and I actually got the water thermometer with me this time, so I'm going to measure. And I saw over here that the ice is a bit more fragile, so we'll try to crash some ice in order to get into for a quick dip. So let's get crashing together. Okay, it's a lot worse than I thought. I don't think I will need to use a bit of my this maybe in order not to. It doesn't work. Okay, it's maybe a bit harder than I thought, so I need to find some way. But before that, let's see what the temperature says in the water. It is 3 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius in the lake. Now let me think what I can do, and if it is better maybe to go to the other side, and we'll be coming up with you shortly again based on what I have thought. See you in a bit. And it was impossible to break enough of ice in order for me to take a dip for the whole body, so I would just go in with my legs today, ankles actually, and chill them out. As you see, it's impossible to break through the ice. I really tried for like 15 minutes, and I'm not really sure if there is a ice cold plunge on the other end, but yeah, here it's just this over here to chill the leg a bit. Still quite nice indeed. The water is 3 degrees Celsius, and you can see the lake is still pretty much frozen. So not the actual beach adventure you're used to, but I promise I will try to find a spot for an ice dip tomorrow. Yeah, Flaten is one of the most cleanest lakes actually in Stockholm, and it's I'm gonna be coming here for a swim as many times later this spring and summer, and even autumn and winter. So for now it's time to wrap up. I will maybe go in for a bit later, but we shall see about that. Until then, thanks a lot, and see you soon again with another adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.